Hello? This is your captain speaking. There is absolutely no cause for alarm.
That'll get them thinking.
No,
Not yet. Let it sink in. They're thinking, what is there absolutely no cause for alarm about? Are the wings on fire?
the wings are not on fire.
Now they're thinking, why should he say that? So we say...
Oh, how are we doing?
They've stopped eating, looking a bit worried.
Good.
Hang on, one of them's going to the washroom.
Is he there yet?
He's just closing the door now.
Right.
1, 2, 3.
Please return to your seats and fasten your safety belts immediately, please.
Yes. Here he comes, going up the aisle like the clappers. I'll do the worried walk down now.
Right.
Worried walk.
Right. Safety regulations.
Safety regulations.
Please listen carefully. I want to remind you of some of the safety regulations. In the case of emergency, it is vitally important to... as the warning buzzer sounds.
Oh, that's got them rattled.
Great. Yeah.
Good.
Hey,
No need to worry.
I've got an idea.
Hello? You will find your life jackets under your seats.
No, they're on the left.
Shh. Let them scrabble a bit.
I'm sorry, you will find them on the racks above your head. But do not unfasten your safety belts.
Great. That was marvellous. You should see them.
Right. Gobbledygook.
Oh.
Yeah. The scransons above your head are now ready to flange. Please unfasten your safety belts and press the emergency photo scamps on the back of the seats behind you.
Marvellous, milling about, climbing over the seat.
Please find the emergency sprill in the washroom at the back and release it.
But do not unfasten your safety belts.
That's got them back to their seats.
The emergency sprill must be released.
But do not leave your seats.
Do not panic.
Tea will now be served.
Inflate your life jackets.
And extinguish all cigarettes.
Please remove the luggage from the racks above your heads and place it on the racks on the other side of the aircraft.
Except for hand luggage.
Which you should sit on.
Now the look.
Hang on.
What?
Hang on.
What?
They've all jumped out.